Claiming money on Revolut Junior is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Revolut app installed on your smartphone. Log into the app using the parent or guardian's credentials. Navigate to the Junior section within the Revolut app. This might be a separate section or a subsection within the main app. Look for options related to transactions or account activity within the Junior section. This is where you can view incoming transactions, including money sent to the Revolut Junior account. Depending on the specific features available, there may be an option to claim or allocate funds within the Junior account. This action might involve confirming the receipt of the funds and deciding how to allocate or use them. Revolut Junior accounts often come with parental controls that allow parents or guardians to set allowances and control spending. Check the settings to manage allowances and spending limits. If there are difficulties claiming or managing funds in the Revolut Junior account, consider contacting Revolut customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance based on the specific situation.